In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Asana. Whether you're new to Asana or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through its interface to get the most out of this powerful project management tool. Let's start at the very top of Asana's interface. Here, on the top right corner, you'll find the Help button, the AI Assistance feature, and your Profile button. This area is where you can access personalized support and adjust your account settings. Moving to the center of the top bar, you'll find the search bar. This is your go-to feature for quickly locating specific tasks, projects, or team members within Asana. Now, shifting our focus to the top left corner, you'll see the Navigation Panel button and the Create button. The Create button is especially useful for quickly adding new tasks, projects, or even a new team whenever inspiration strikes. To dive deeper into these features, you can click on the hamburger menu icon situated on the top left corner. Clicking it will reveal the Navigation Panel, a handy tool offering easy access to all sections of Asana. First up on this panel is the Home tab. Here, you'll get a comprehensive overview of your account and current tasks, making it an excellent spot to start your day. It's a central hub for understanding what needs your attention. Following the Home tab, we have the My Tasks section. This is where you'll manage all the tasks assigned to you across various workspaces and projects. It's like your personal dashboard for productivity, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. After that, you'll come across the inbox. Think of this as a communications hub where you'll see all activities and notifications pertinent to you. It's your essential resource for staying updated on your project's progress and any team interactions. Next, we delve into the Insights section. This area is dedicated to giving you an overview of your projects through powerful analytics tools. Here, you can access reports and track the progress of your work at a glance. Right below it, you'll find the Projects section. It lists all your projects, making it simple to jump into any one of them quickly. Whether you're managing one project or several, this section ensures you're always just a click away from the work you're focused on. Finally, we reach the Team section. This area displays all the teams or organizations you're involved with, allowing you to easily collaborate with colleagues and stay connected to your Asana network. And that concludes our tour of Asana's navigation features. With these tools at your disposal, you will navigate your tasks and projects with confidence and ease. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.